Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. And if you're looking for ways to update the discount rules plugin to the latest version, then here are some easy steps to update the plugin. All right. Before which, it's time for you to get the plugin installed. And if you're finding difficult to do that, then you can find the installation guide and the purchase link in the description below, which can definitely be of help. Please check it out. Now let's go to the WordPress dashboard. And here under plugins tab, you'll be able to find the installed plugins. And here you can notice both WooDiscount Rules free and pro versions. All right. Now, all that you have to do for an easy update is you'll be able to find this message that says there is a new version of WooDiscount Rules available. So you can just view the details here regarding the recent version and click on update now, which will update the plugin to the recent version. All right. Similarly, for Pro Pack, you'll be able to check for updates. So if you click on check for updates, you'll be able to find a message that says the new version is available. Here we go. Now, all that you have to do is click on update now for both, and you'll be able to notice that the plugin is updated to the most recent version. Great. While going for automatic updates, you will have to have an active license key, which means version updates will be available only when you are in the subscription period. For example, you will receive updates in the first year of purchase, and if you do not continue or renew a subscription, you might not receive any further updates. All right, so make sure you have an active, valid license key and add it to your domain in the Manage Domain section of the My Downloads of our site. Hope this video was helpful, and what else? Get the plugin activated. You also have our video tutorials which can be of help to discover different discounts you can achieve using the plugin. Please keep watching. Thank you so much.